What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Patrick Star for Spongebob Squarepants. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. We're going to start right in the middle. Let's start with the left eye, going up toward the top of the oval, come down the side, and just pull that back up in the middle. Let's draw the same sized oval on the right side. So we're going to start back in the middle, come down toward the same height, go up toward the same height, and then back down in the middle. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside of the eyes. Starting on the left side, draw a small oval. And we'll just line that up on the right. And we'll fill those ovals in black. Now we want to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left side. Curve down underneath the eyes. And back up. Now you want to add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw the bottom edge of the mouth. We're going to come down toward the bottom and then bend that back up toward the top. Now I want to draw the edge of the tongue along the bottom. Starting in the middle, let's start with a point. Bend this up toward the left and then down towards the side. Go back to the center, go up towards the right and then back down. Now just underneath the mouth, let's add a small curve for the lower lip. Now from here, we're going to go all the way up towards the top of the middle and draw the side of the head. Let's start at the very top of the middle, bend this out toward the left, come down around the eyes and the mouth, and then down towards the shoulder. Let's go back up to the top. We go around the right side, and then bring that down towards the same height. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to add two angled lines through the eyebrows. Let's start on the left, going up and in. Let's line this up on the right. Then we're going to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Start with a short line going up the sides. Let's close off the top. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from the base of the head, let's draw the outside of the arms. Let's start on the left. And bend this out and then down. Round up the arm, close in, and then up towards the side of the body. Now I tuck the body in behind the arms. On the left side, let's step out. Just going to round up the body, going out, down, and then in towards the bottom of the leg. Let's line this up over on the right. We go out, down, and then in. Let's round up the bottom of the leg. Just come in and then up. Let's close off the center with a curve, going down and then up. And then we'll move down and draw the bottom edge of the shorts with another curve from left to right. Let's go up towards the top on the left side, curve this down the middle, and then bend that up. Now, in the center of the body along the bottom, draw a small oval for the belly button. And I'm going to draw that same curve along the bottom for a trim, coming down and then up. Let's add a simple pattern around the shorts. We're going to start from the side along the top, go down and then up. Let's line this up on the right, rounding this out and then pulling that up. Let's go back over towards the left side, going out around the left, across the middle, back up on the right side. Now add a small leaf along the side, going up, and then bending that down and then in. Now I'm going to add a few spots across the body, starting from the left side. Just these random spots going around the head, arms, and body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Patrick Star from SpongeBob SquarePants. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.